I'd like to demonstrate now how to change the wax filter from an on-the-ear style hearing aid. Each brand of hearing aids may have its own wax trap. Your provider will provide you with the correct size and style of wax trap necessary for your hearing aid. First of all, you would need to remove the plastic dome covering the wire end that goes in your ear. With firm pressure, you can easily remove and separate those parts. That will then expose the white wax filter underneath. Due to its small size, you can see that it would easily become clogged with debris or wax, and if that happens, you will not hear at all from the hearing aid and it will appear or sound dead. You may not see wax in there, but you really can change it if you're unsure whether the hearing aid is dead or just needs a cleaning. Take the given wax traps out of their packaging. In this case, they come on a scalloped thumbtack style hook. Each hook has a removal tool and a new wax filter. You would insert the removal tool into the opening of the original wax trap and pull. That will expose the open wire. You flip the tool around to have the new wax filter exposed. In this case, it's the longer half of the wax tool. You would insert by pushing and removing the tool. You would then replace, or after cleaning, or even take a new dome if you were given those at your fitting appointment, push firmly to reattach the parts.